Was good, YouTube? And just woke up a few minutes ago and a couple of hours ago. Still kind of tired, but I'm gonna do a figure unboxing video. I've been planning this all day, so hope y'all enjoy it. And here we are. Video unboxing on 4 of these figures. This is Cody Rhodes. It's Continental belt. Still spinning. Trash can, ladder, the belts, weight belts, slap on wristbands. And the freaking tractor, whatever that's called. First thing I'm gonna be unboxing is the Roman Reigns Funko Pop. I'm gonna be unboxing this. I'm just gonna unbox it to show y'all. Let me just open this real quick. And there's the Roman Reigns. Take it out. There it is.
Standing behind us all season long, especially tonight. Game ball.
There it is. Superman punch. That's how it looks standing on the. I bet. Hold on.
Hey, how are you?
Here we go. Alright, now it's time for the other figures. I'm gonna be unboxing Kurt Angle first. There's the figure there. Now I'm gonna be unboxing Kurt Angle. Let's go ahead and grab him. Oh shoot, knocked down one of the belts. Let me fix it.
I think we got too good at
Here's the Kurt Angle.
Anybody else?
Let's get to opening. Kurt Angle.
I think I'm going to do us all a big favor. Let you all finish this one on your
I've been keeping them close for about a month now. Kurt Angle and the Carlito. Let's just open the Kurt Angle real quick. And there's Kurt Angle out of the box.
He says, you got a problem.
There's a figure right there. Look at it. This is Kurt Angle.
It's quite different than being inside a public school. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah, well, that's the point.
Kurt
Mr.
Angle.
Tucker. Hey, I'll here be the first.
There's Kurt Angle. Now let's go unbox Carlito. Here you go, we got my boy Carlito. Already retired. He got released. Puffy out hair, like Michael Jackson.
It's alright.
Interchangeable hands. Knee pads.
Time to go. Man, kiss her, man.
Dr. Thugonomics chain.
Ooh, yeah. So beautiful.
Apple right there. Stick them out. This is.
Y'all set to go? Hey, can we go? Merry Christmas, Radio. Oh, can't wait.
We'll let you pause it. See.
I can't wait to get home. This is so beautiful. I tell them all about the tree and the great everything.
Go ahead and just take them out over there. So bathroom. Just to deal with this. Let's go. Oh yeah.
Okay.
I hope you like it.
Straight right through Christmas.
Oh yeah, there goes the apple.
Tonight I get a little bit of holiday with my boy.
Wait a minute. You just got spit on by Carlito. There's Carlito. Ding, 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 ding. Bye-bye. Time for Razor Ramon. There we go, Razor Ramon. Oh, sorry. Just move out of the way. Wait, that was not good. There we go.
I see that. Yeah. What you bugging me for you? Got you some to eat.
There we go. Open him up. Razor Ramon. Open this shit up. Comes Razor Ramon with the wrist piece on bling blang. The Intercontinental Championship belt. Razor Ramon head. I'm gonna put this one on. This is Razor Ramon. It's a different head scan. Sadly, it can't move like full 360, but I can still do a hula hoop. Watch.
Radio. Hey, I knew, man. Oh, man. Hey, where's Honeycutt at, man? Come Honeycutt, you right? He gone. He's gone. All right. Well, hey, check it out. Coach Dowler's got a couple things next door she wants you to come get. Huh? Mrs. Dowler.
There we go.
Don't worry, man. Don't worry. She's her. She's alone. Girls are gone. I can't do that. All right. Fine. She's gonna be real disappointed. I don't want to let her down, I do.
The hands, thumbs up, thumbs down. You can't see me. It's a jacket. There's the good old Jackie. Cut. Just kidding. Razor Ramon. Jackie. Belt. Hands. Interchangeable heads.
You sure?
Jacket on.
No, I'm already under a microscope anyway.
There's the pose. Climb the ladder. And there we go. And that's the end for the video.
With his mama.
Bye. I forgot to show him.
Mr. Jones, in the last month,
Give me one last spin.
would you say Mr. Kennedy was spent alone?
Good one. Bye bye.